Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the impressive features of the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super WINDFORCE OC 12G graphics card, a powerhouse designed for gamers and professionals alike. This card is powered by the GeForce RTX 4070 Super and boasts 12 GB of GDDR6X memory with a 192-bit interface, ensuring smooth and efficient performance for all your computing needs. The WINDFORCE cooling system, featuring 3 fans and graphene nano lubricant, keeps your system running cool and quiet even under heavy loads. With a robust protection metal backplate, this graphics card is built to last and withstand the demands of intense gaming sessions. It comes with a 16-pin power cable and a user manual, making installation a breeze. Ranked number 11 in computer graphics cards, this dedicated video processor from NVIDIA is perfect for office tasks, professional applications, and gaming. Experience the next level of graphics performance with the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super WINDFORCE OC 12G and elevate your computing experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.